What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy back with another vid, but this time we doing something a little different. As you can see, we got the Under Armour slides out, and let's go over them. Okay, so I got these from the Under Armour outlet for about $30. I got these originally to replace my old beat up, worn out Nike slides. So let's just go over them. Let's start from the top. As you can see, the 4D foam pattern, leather, and some fake carbon fiber right there. Under Armour logo, held together with this Velcro, strong Velcro. So the foot will be slipping out. The tag says Under Armour, size 9, made in Vietnam. Other side. Both sides are pretty padded, so this is definitely a comfortable slide. As you can see, Under Armour 4D foam. Another Under Armour logo right there. Both slides are about the same. Let's go to the bottom. Start from the top, as you can see. Good tread all the way through. Another Under Armour logo right there at the heel. But after wearing these once, I would definitely recommend these. These are definitely comfortable and worth the price. Get memory foam, as you can see. It'll form to your foot. So that's probably what makes these so comfortable. But as for these, I would definitely recommend. Under Armour slides are definitely slides if you're looking for, if you need comfort. Yeah, these didn't come with no box, so grab them straight off the rack like this. So for $30, would I recommend them? Yes, sir. There you get a thumbs up from your boy. So, but that's it for this video. To the next one, guys. I'm out.